What up, loves? It's your girl Bambee, and I'm coming at y'all with another Decades makeup look, and I'm super excited to do a new Decades. We are doing the 1950s, and I am really loving this look. 1950s is like definitely one of my top favorite because I just always feel so sultry, sexy, like glamorous and pretty. This is more on the glam side of the 1950s. I just love, I'm looking at my mirror, I love this look. So I hope y'all love it too. And if you want to see how I got this 1950s look, continue to watch, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Love y'all. So I'm starting off with the Power Grip Primer from e.l.f. to prime my face. I actually highly recommend this primer. It's really good. Next, I'm using my lip balm from my cosmetics line, Vintage Vanity Cosmetics. Then going in with this brow pencil from Nabi Cosmetics. I honestly got this brow pencil from Rainbow when I actually worked there. So yeah, it's a good brow pencil. It gets the job done. I like the shade. Glides on really well, so it's good. I like it. Like I said, it gets the job done. Now I'm cleaning up my brow with the MAC Studio Fix Concealer. This is in NW35. I love this concealer for my brows, and I also use it to prime my eyelids, which y'all gonna see a little bit later, like in a few. So yeah. As you can see, I'm blending that concealer onto my eyelids now. Let's get into the eyeshadow. I'm using this Juvia's Place Warrior 2 palette, and I'm taking that shade and putting it in my crease. Now I'm taking like this chocolate brown, and I'm putting it in my crease as well. Next, I'm going into this white creamy shade and applying it all over my eyelid. Now I'm going into that really deep, like, brown shade and putting it in my outer V. I'm just placing it, and then I'm going to blend it out. This shade right here, I'm going to use it on my brow bone. Now I'm going in with my pinup liner. This is from my cosmetics line, Vintage Vanity Cosmetics. And I do have a link to my website in the description if you want to shop. Now going in with my favorite foundation. I always use this foundation. It seems for my makeup tutorials. It's perfect. It's one of my favorite. Maybelline just never lets me. Now going in with my Black Radiance concealer. This is the True Complexion concealer in a light. I just really like this concealer. Y'all seen me use it in pretty much my recent makeup tutorials. It's just a really good concealer, and it blends out well. So I highly recommend y'all trying it. It's not a lot of shades, but it's a really good concealer. Now going in with my Airpsun loose face powder. I'm putting it where I put the concealer. Now on to my face powder. This is the Black Radiance Press Powder in shade Cafe. I really like this powder. If you like MAC Studio Fix powder, you would love this powder. On to my favorite bronzer. Well, one of my favorite bronzers. This is the Anastasia powder bronzer in Mahogany. And I'm just bronzing up my face a bit. Then going into this Wet n Wild blush. This is Mellow Wine. It's such a pretty blush. For highlighter, I'm using my highlighter from my cosmetics line. This is in the shade Sade. It is available on my website. Now using my lip liner in 91 on my lower lash line. To set my face, I'm using this One Size setting spray. I really like this spray so far. For mascara, I'm using Maybelline Great Lash. I love me some Maybelline Great Lash mascara. It's one of my favorite. No matter the variation of it, it's one of my favorite mascaras. Now on to lashes. Of course, I'm using my lashes from my cosmetics line. These are in the style Nichelle, which is available on my website, which the link is in the description. For lip liner, I'm using my lip liners from my cosmetics line. This is in the shade 90 and 91, which is a black and dark brown. They just make the perfect ombre lip for me. I love mixing these two together. For lipstick, I'm using this Nicka K lipstick in the shade Beet. Is really one of my favorite red lipsticks. It's just perfect. I love this lipstick so much. On to lip gloss, and of course I'm using my cosmetics line, and this is in the shade Danny, inspired by Dorothy Dandridge, which is perfect for this look. And here's the finished look. Thank you for watching.